Well, I just finished up 3 days. I've been working on this project for you here in Palm Springs. Check out the mountains. It's about 107 degrees today. Me and my team, we've been working. Basically, look, you got two choices right now in the modern world if you want to learn how to start your own business, make more money, all that stuff. One, what most people do, go to college. You can go to college, which works for some people and doesn't work for a lot of people. And you can pay anywhere, community college is, $5,000 a year or something, all the way up to a couple $100,000 or $100,000 a year if you're getting a Harvard MBA or Stanford or something like that. I got a way that you can do the second option that most people don't know about. The option that I took, which is to learn from mentors. Now, I've been working on this for years, but right now here in Palm Springs, what I've launched, my newest project, that in many ways I'm more excited about than anything that I'm doing, is an online complete mentorship. Just think Netflix, okay? Think Netflix, but like not just entertaining movies, but mentors there teaching you exactly how they launched a pizza restaurant, a landscaping business. One of my employees / students from years ago, he left working for me, moved back home. It's kind of part of the plan. Came and learned from me. Then he went and he started a landscaping company. It's called Leaf and Limb in Raleigh, North Carolina. I think he started out making $1 million gross the first year. Now it probably does, I'd guess, 5 to 10 million. Just a simple business. He didn't learn it in college. He learned it from another person. He learned from different mentors, and he built something that now sustains him, his family, makes him a ton of money, gives him freedom. He could sell the business. You got to raise your income. And to raise your income, the simplest way is learn from people who have raised their income. Now, I've had test groups for the last years, training over 200,000 people in over 100 countries. What I know. But I don't know everything. There's a lot of stuff that I don't know. A lot. The amount that I know is this big. Now that what I've been training people, what I know has helped, like I said, a couple 100,000 people in the last 3 or 4 years. But there's more mentors out there. The project I'm launching now, I've gone out to mentors around the world and I've said, will you do me a favor? Join my Knowledge Society. That's the new project, the new company. Will you join the Knowledge Society and just be vulnerable, open up your best secrets to building your business, whether it was a dry cleaning company, a dog walking business, a car wash, a mobile car wash, real estate, like you name it, we have it in here. So for one price, you get access, and we're adding more and more. The goal is to get 6,000 different courses. So this is like the Netflix for learning how to make money. Just think of it that way. The Netflix for learning how to make money. I'm gonna put a link below. If you wanna be one of the first people to get access to it, go to this link right here below. This is game-changing stuff. I repeat, game-changing stuff. If you wanna have a transformational time in your life, go to this link, join. I priced it unbelievably cheap. One of my business partners, he went to Berkeley, MBA. It's like $50,000 to $100,000 a year. This is like 100th of that price, even less. I want to make this accessible to you, no matter how much money you have in your bank account right now. I want to make this something you can do. Now, a lot of people are going to see this video. It's going to be on YouTube. It's going to go all over the place. Most people are going to procrastinate, which is, by the way, the number one reason people income too low is because people procrastinate. Simple. But one of the reasons people procrastinate is not just laziness. It's sometimes you don't know what to do. So just imagine this. Business plans handed to you. Exact formulas. I got a buddy of mine, business partner. He quit his job in New York, moved down to North Carolina, loved pizza, started a pizza business, has 3 stores now. I think he nets about $500,000 a year. He works 3 or 4 hours a day, travels the world, has fun. I'm like, Mike, his name's Mike. I'm like, Mike, will you share your formula? And he's like, why should I share my formula? It's working for me. I don't want to create competitors. I said, listen to me. Most people are going to procrastinate, but for the people who really want to do it, pizza's a huge business. It's not going to affect you. You know, so I got him people like that to agree. And yeah, it's gonna be a game changer. We're gonna head to the airport. Andrea, you ready to go? Are you coming, Zach? Woo. Say hello to everybody.
Oh my God,
Zach, say hello to everybody.
Pissed me off, man. She wore that before I could wear it.
Zach wanted to wear that outfit. I brought the Maserati out here. It's my least favorite car, so I bring it out to the desert. All right. Whew. Man, what is the temperature, Zach? 10 what? 7? What is it, Rick? 116. Man, I had it wrong. All right, we're headed to the airport, head back to LA. Worked on this project for you. Click the link. Get in. Do not procrastinate. It's too inexpensive to procrastinate on this one. I've had other programs that are more expensive. People pay me $100,000 for consulting, all that kind of stuff. This is like basically the lowest price thing I've ever done, because it's not just about me making money. It's a mission to empower you and millions of people to have alternatives to just either having to go to expensive college. You can go to college, but it's an alternative, and an alternative to having to learn on your own, which takes too long and is hard and you fail a lot. Just learn from people. Let them give you their secrets. Seriously, that is the formula. That's how I figured out how to go from making $100, you know, a day to $100,000 a day. Now, I'm not promising you're going to become a millionaire from this. I'm just going to show you simple businesses that you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, part-time or full-time. Some of them you'll make less. You'll make $1,000 a month, stuff like that. But I want to show you that simple business plan, simple formulas, blueprints from people that will make you a lot of money. What do you think, Zach?
I say amen and amen.
Zach.
A man and a woman.
Zach's a preacher's son.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you ready? You like that heat? Andrea's from Spain. It doesn't get this hot, does it? Not even close. Zach's from North Carolina. It does get this hot, but not the temperature, just the humidity. All right, let's head to the airport. I don't want to crash here. Got the Yeezys on for the flight. Comfortable shoes.